Hello, friends. In this episode, I would talk briefly about artificial intelligence and whether it's hope or hype. We'll discuss. And in my view, it's let us be very realistic that artificial intelligence is a game changer, and things will go or things are going in a different direction. So we must adapt accordingly, and we have to make decisions accordingly. And we need to embrace technology. We have to embrace failures. We have to embrace change, and we have to embrace disruption. These are the aspects, and above all, human creativity can't be replaced by artificial intelligence. And uh, when I was very young, there was a talk of computers, and we all felt that we would lose opportunities. But we have realized that uh, more and more opportunities are being created because of the artificial intelligence. So we are very much optimistic about artificial intelligence. We need to embrace artificial intelligence, and we have to leverage uh, artificial intelligence. intelligence. So there are so many aspects like so many aspects like machine learning and big data. So all these things are widely talked about, and more and more apps are coming up, and things are changing so fast. And it's very difficult for humans to catch up with the world. And there are some apprehensions that we will lose jobs. Yes, definitely we will lose jobs. But we need to find ways and means to find more opportunities. And old water will be replaced by the fresh water. So this is life, and we should learn to understand the realities. Let us learn, unlearn, and relearn. And disruption is the key, and we need to be very careful. Uh, and currently the unemployment is rising, and people are losing jobs. So we have to find ways and means where we can find fresh opportunities. Especially my message for the Gen Z. Gen Z are also known with different names like centennials. They're tech savvy, and they are very ambitious, and they are very smart in technology. So we are very much optimistic that we will find more and more opportunities. And because of the technology, people are making more and more money, more opportunities, more startups. So like that, so many things are happening, and it's a good sign. And we need to encourage creativity, and we have to encourage innovation, so that more and more products, more and more services can be created for social good. And I am a survivor of brainstroke in the year 2021. I survived because of my positive psychology. If you like this video, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and share with your networks. With gratitude.